Good day, sir. I am Mart Kamangkang. I'm Jomer Andres Abutal, Bachelor of Elementary Education, first year 1A. My reflection on this 13th story, number 1, is Toadbuller's birth. My reflection in Toadbuller's birth, this story tells the character of the Tiboli and the courage to face problems in their community. Their love and cooperation from their neighbor is very important because it measures their loyalty. 2. The Kikim Tree. Kuyu Kikim for the Tiboli is a very powerful tree. The story captures their belief in the tree's healing powers and how it is connected to the diaspora of the Tibolis in South Cotabato. 3. Why the sky is so high. My reflection in this story is you should be diligent on finding food for your family. Also show in this story to be careful in everything you do and think about the consequences of what you do. 4. Origin of the monkey. My reflection here is that we should teach good manners to our children so that they may grow up in good manners and in the fear of God. The child with good manners or habit is to reflect in the parents. The Bible even says packaging should be obedient. 5. Origin of the coconut tree. My reflection on this story, parents love their children very much, that they always feel sorry if their children are hurt. But most often parents discipline their children to lead them in the right way. Hence, children should always obey their parents. 6. Why there are stars. My reflection on this story, this is one of the dramatical story which we can heard of. It related to the virtue of being helpful. Helping another lightens the load each one is carrying. Lightens the work assigned to each one. Helping another makes the work easy and it increases productivity. 7. Story of the dogs. My reflection on this story is that we need to bear witness to our comrades or our families and must also be careful of good manners, particularly at gatherings or group gatherings. 8. The Legend of Water Vine. My reflection on this story is that we should take care of the forest because this is where we get our basic needs in our lives. Let us take care of our forests, trees, animals, rivers, lakes, and mountains. They were created by God. They provide us with food, clothing, shelter, and medicines. They are the main source of livelihood for many of the Tiboli in the islands. 9. Why the python is no longer poisonous. My reflection on this story is why the python is no longer poisonous. We need to be positive in what we do because it depends on our success. Let's not immediately believe what we just listen to or be negative because that's where we will fall for what we want. 10. Why the hen keep on scratching. This story refers to the habit of people that even if they are having a hard time, they still have to prove that they can still do it just to show that they will not give up. This story shows the human tendency that they will believe if you have proven and done it. 11. Why do bats fly at night? My reflection on this story is that we should take part in any meeting that take place because here are the opportunities that we ourselves can benefit from and we can also share our question or opinions. Opportunities comes only once. Once it slips away, it will never come back. 12. Why the dog barks. This story relates the hospitality and kindness of the Tiboli people. They believe on the strong sense of community by sharing what they have, their harvest and other produce to kins and relatives, to friends and most especially to visitors. 13. Why the birds eats in the rice fields. My reflection on this story has become a tradition of the Tibole to slash and burns and plant rice because the dancing of the Tahaw birds it gives them a good harvest. But Maya birds are considered a pest by many rice farmers. They eat the young and immature rice or suck fluids in them. And all that's all my video reflection and good day, Sir Iron Mark.